In this video, we are going to see how to rename the variable name and the variable label. And the data that we are going to use was data from a research which was looking at the knowledge and attitude of the respondents to antimicrobial resistance. Just to take a look at the data that we have, let us browse and we see. We can see that our dummy variables are taking codes, and we have about 7 questions labeled question 1, question 2 up to 7, and then they have been coded 1, 2 and 3. And according to the questionnaire, 1 was representing a response of true, and 2 was representing false, while 3 was representing uncertain across all these 7 questions. So to go back, our variables have been labeled question 1, question 2, question 3 up to 7. So how do we change these variable names and labels to what we want? To start with, we are going to see how we can change the variable name. So when we are changing the variable name, we have to note a few things. The variable name in STATA does not allow spaces. That is when you are using more than one word. So you either make it one word or you make it you separate them using underscore. And then when you're dealing with labels, the label names accept spaces, but when you are renaming them, then you should put the label name in quotation, in open quotes. So let's go. So we are going to rename question 1. According to the questionnaire, question 1 was asking the respondents, are antibiotics effective against bacteria? So we would want to rename it to something closer to that. Let's go. So as we can see, we have renamed our variable from question 1 to are antibiotics effective to bacteria. I've made it short like this because we start if the variable name is too long, it does not accept. So what was the command, the syntax here was you type rename, then you put the variable name that you want to change from, and then followed by the variable name that you want. Just separate them using a space. And note that I said when you the variable name, you either, if you have more than one word, for example this one, are antibiotics effective, those are 3 different words, you either make it one word or you separate each word with an underscore. That is when STATA can accept.